Now, this is the very spirit we build. And of course, meron din kami mga magagandang moment doon. As NCC Director, I promoted the marriage of 7 couples. I succeeded in 5, I failed in 2. Let me read to you the name. I cannot remember all of them. Okay. I married, in fact, I was the one who proposed to the girl. Humberto and Nini. You can tell it, when you see Humberto, you can tell him that I learned from Colonel Sanchez that he was the one who proposed to Nini. I was the one who really courted her. And Nini was telling me, sir, Nini was also our employee. Sir, bakit ikaw nagsasalita kay parang kay Humberto? Isabi ko, alam mo yan, he felt his love, the love for you so deeply that he cannot say it. So I'm saying it for you. Okay. I also arranged the marriage of Boy and Nikki Villanueva. Amor. I also promoted the marriage of Rolly and Telma Cotto. And then of course si Ed at si Sita's Adventula. And I was very, very straight about this, is that no one of them separated, they are still married up to today. So I'm a very good promoter. Yeah, I failed on 2. I failed on, I think you might have not met him, Pepito Malfori and Gerly Bayos. Gerly Bayos was my secretary. And when the Secretary Melchor, my boss, left, Secretary Melchor piloted her for me. The other one that I promoted and I failed miserably was Cosme. Anyway, kinausap ko si Evelyn. Sabi ko, Evelyn, huwag kami sincero tayo. You know, Cosme was quoting my secretary every break. Si Christine Balagan. Sport naman si Evelyn. Nakakapagtaka sapagkat yung parehong sekretaryo ang hindi sumusunod sa akin. Anyway, that's part of democracy in our country. So, yun ang mga light moment natin. And you know, NCC was one of the most challenging thing I ever did. Because one of the things that, ang maganda niyan, I discovered my talent in NCC. Yeah, totoo yan. I never realized I could do those things. That I could turn something out of nothing. Yung mga building na, we got that from NSDB, which is now Department of Science and Technology. I did a lot of convincing for them to finance those things. And then comes the computer, the big computer. By the way, when the first cell system was inaugurated, February of 1969, the IBM representative, change manager was there. I will not mention his name anymore. And he said to the UP manager of UP Computer Center, he said, pare, Give that center 6 months, and that thing will hold up. Now, the manager of UP Computer Center was a friend of mine, and he whispered to me, according to IBM, you have only 6 months to live. And I told him, you tell that IBM guy, he will swallow that word. And he did swallow his word.